studio of the photographer because I'm going to do the makeup of my client for prenuptial photo shoot today. Hi guys, we're now here sa studio and here I met Miss Lovely. Hi, she's my client for today and apparently viewer ko pala siya. Pero mahiya. Pero I'm going to do her makeup today for her prenuptial pictorial. O, diba? So, yan ang before niya. Yay! So, we're now here at the first location. Ayan ang bride namin, diba? Bongga. Pakita ko sa inyo makeup niya maya. Ilang ba? Vlog ito. Ito ang groom and bride. Ano, hi siya. Oh, diba so pretty. Ganda. Super nice yung mga chandelier. Maganda mag-picture dito. So fun. First time ko magsama ng mga prenup stuff. Through Miss Lovely, o diba? Still here sa first location and we're just waiting for them to get finished and super nice na mga photos. I hope I can show it to you by the time I upload this vlog because I'm planning to post this later on after their wedding. So hopefully ma-insert ko yung mga photos. Super ganda kasi. So we're now gonna eat lunch muna. Yan, nakabihis na ating bride. Pero intact pa naman ang makeup. So, kain mo na kami kasi it's 1 PM na. So, nakalimutan ko mag-vlog ng food. Basta kaming kumain. So, we're now heading to our next location. Yan, the drive on groom and bride. So, itong next location natin. First time ko dito eh. This is, yan, the view. We're now here at the view. Oh my gosh. Super ganda. Dahil na doon, no? It's a perfect location. Super ganda dito, promise. But you actually pay 3,000 per half day kung magpo-photoshoot ka. Tapos, if you want to have your reception here for your wedding, 50,000 for the place alone. My gosh. Pero super ganda. My God! So, magbibihis lang muna si Ate Lovely, then mag-retouch kami after. Yan. Tulungan ko muna sila. I am so super duper mesmerized. Super ganda dito. Swear, it's so nice. And you get the view of the city. Hi, that's Marlon, our photographer. Yon. Featured. Ta-da! So, yeah. Yan, the view. Super ganda. First time ko dito, kaya super happy ako. So, magre-retouch muna kami. We're still retouching here. Ta-da! Diba? Ayan. Super pretty. Binaba na namin yung hair. Kim Chumpeg. Achieve. Achieve na achieve. Ayan. Ready na ang everyone. So, we're going to start in a few. Super amazing. Marami pang outfits to go. Ilang outfits yun?
Ano na lang? 3?
3 outfits. Yan. So, yan na lahat ng makeup ko. Messed up. Ito si ate. Kasama namin. Nag-assist kay Ate Lovely.
Hello!
Ayan. Feature sa YouTube. See you guys later! Wow, ang sweet! Super sweet! Grabe pa rin ang ubo ko. Tapos super sweaty. Super saya talaga manood ng poses nila Ate Lovely and Kuya Mark. Ang sweet nila. Tapos ang cute. By the way, our photographer is the Marlon Advincula. If you're interested in having your prenuptial pictorial, I'll put on the links down below. The Marlon Advincula in action. Ayan. Actually, I'm an aspirant in photography din. Pero super mahal kasi ng mga lens that you have to invest in. You need a lot of money to be a photographer. Let's just take this time to appreciate the view. Super nice talaga. You can see Davao. Yan. It's a super wonderful place. We have here a function room. Super ganda. Maganda dito mag-reception. Tapos yun ang view mo, yung the view. It's super nice. Tapos pwede ka rin mag-reception kung gusto mo outdoor doon. May parang bulwagan doon. So, punta ako baba kasi doon sila sa baba. Malaki-laking lugar din ito. So, nagdala ko lang yung mga retouch things pang retouch. Ay, dito na pala. Dito ba? So, nandito. This is the view. Ang daming fish. Ang lalaki. Reminds me of Ceecdea. May malalaki din silang fish. Pero mas malaki talaga yung Ceecdea. Super relaxing yung sound ng water. The view. Super nice dito. Pina 360 ang peg. Ang cute nila, grabe. Super cute and super natural. Ang sweetness. Ayan, so mag-change outfit na naman si Ate Lovely. Super nice, super natural nila. Binidyohan ko nga. Oo. YouTube, may YouTube yun eh. YouTube! Oo. The main stars cast of the vlog. So I put my hair up kasi medyo mainit. Pinapawisan ako. We're going back to the site. Tapos, shoot na naman. So, nag-change look na. And I just changed the lipstick. Another wonderful spot here at the view. Super nice nito. So, next outfit na naman, and I think we're going to put her hair back in an updo again. So, we're just having snacks. Yay! And water. Yun. So, for the next look, long gown na naman ang peg. Amazing talaga ang zoom ng camera ko. Ang layo nun ah. Akalain mo. But anyway, I'm so sweaty and my makeup has already melted. Pero we're still here. Tapos, ganda ng photographer. And it's already 5 p.m. I'll see you guys later. How I wish I brought my monopod. Ang ganda mag 360 dito. 360 tayo. Super nice! Location namin. Mag-bye na kayo for the last time. Bye! Thank you so much! Yay! Alis na ako in a few. Hintay ko lang sila mama. Pero magkukuha pa sila ng shots dito. Maganda kasi maraming lights. Tapos, lalo na dun sa carousel. Hi guys! So I just got home and I feel super duper tired, but I'm super duper happy for my very first prenup photo shoot experience. So thank you so much, Ate Lovely and Kuya Mark. Thank you so much for trusting me. I really enjoyed being with you today, watching you all throughout your photo shoot, and I'm really excited for all the wonderful photos that were taken of the two of you. You did a great job. In this vlog, I will be inserting the photos kasi I will post this vlog a little later than the date right now kasi I'll post this after the wedding na. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!